Let's start new video about cryptocurrency now. Just check this update right now, guys. This is really interesting about Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, Bitcoin Cash, Grandio, Litecoin, Stellar, Fame, Sneo, Oita, Dash, Monero, Train, Bitcoin Cold, and the very interesting the icon QTM, XM Classic, List, Questcam, Renflog, and Populous, Omiska, etc. This is all latest information video about cryptocurrency. If you really want to work online, if you want to invest online, if you want online earning, so you must subscribe my channel. And this is amazing information channel about cryptocurrency, about online trading, and this is best platform to learn all about this. So let's start with Bitcoin. Now, what is Bitcoin price today? How to invest in Bitcoin, and how can we make more and more investment with little investment. So guys, if you just follow Ethereum and Ripple, if you compare, this is really interesting and amazing factor about all of that. Bitcoin Cash is the most important part of this is crypto. The first of all, that this is the mother coin. Yeah, it's no doubt, guys, this is the mother coin, and this is the amazing about. If you really check this, and if you follow Neo and US and EMC, this is amazing and the most amazing part of the Monero. And just check this, guys, the most important part of cryptocurrency: online investment, online classes, and everything is online now. So must follow online earning, YouTube earning, Facebook earning, and online trading, online cash withdraw, online job, online study. Now you can find all of these steps online. So follow us more. If you just check this, all world is going to buy in next few years with the bitcoins. Now the world is mostly people of business community, and also is the common man's. They just right now they are just using to make some more and more uncomfortable things, and this is the best time to make investment like about cryptocurrency, about everything is all about you. Just follow these steps and just check this video. It's more important video to you guys.